Hello guys, welcome in today's lesson. This is your own teacher, the own graduate teacher. In today's lesson, we are looking at the paper which came in biology paper 1, multiple choice. We're looking at just question 1 to 3 of multiple choices. The question 1 was saying the river cells in the diagram are shown as they would appear under a microscope. These were the river cells. The question was saying how many cells was visible. A, it was 0. B, it was 2. C, it was 3. D, it was 5. So now, you have to understand this statement, which is you're saying liver cells. Liver cells, these are animal cells. Animal cells, they do not have a what? They do not have what? Cell walls. So the answer here is supposed to be 0. You say 0. That's the answer for A, 0 cell. Then we go to 2. The question was saying the diagram shows 4 specialized cells. Which of the cells undergoes construction and relaxation? So when you are wanting to understand here, the first one, which is the A, it is the root hair cell, the plant cell. It's also root hair cell, and this is the root hair cell. B, it is the sperm cell. C, it is the nerve cell. D, it is the muscle cell. So you have to understand the main function. The main function of A is to absorb water and the minerals, this one. Then for B is for fertilization, the sperm cell. And the nerve cell is to transport what? The impulses. Then D, the main function is for construction and relaxation. So the answer here is supposed to be D. Then we go to the last but not the least question that we are going to look at right now. So now, the question is saying the diagram shows 2 plant cells, X and Y. This is the type of plants that we are talking about. There was an arrow moving from this to this one. So the question is saying which method of movement will make salt to move from X to Y. So A, active transport. B, diffusion. C, mass flow. D, osmosis. So the answer is active transport. As you can see, the arrow is moving from down to top. Osmosis, active transport, it requires energy. For it to move from down here to top, the energy is needed. And it's the movement of particles from lower concentration to higher concentration. Now diffusion is the movement of particles from higher concentration to lower concentration. Diffusion does not need energy, but active transport needs energy. As for osmosis, it is talking about water molecules. Then this one is talking about the mass flow, bulk movement, like in the xylems and also in the blood. So the answer here is active transport. Thank you very much for having time to watch my video. Don't forget to follow my channel. If you're watching me on TikTok, if you're watching me on YouTube, don't forget to follow my YouTube channel. Why should you continue to struggle with biology when the undergraduate teacher is here? Follow and subscribe for more future lessons.